When creating custom fields for your customer accounts, it's going to be important for you to remember that there are two different places that you can add custom field data to within that customer account. At the top level, at that umbrella customer account level, this is going to be the customer more broadly, your household or your general contractor or your property management team. And then secondly, you'll have the ability at the individual customer contact level to add custom field data as well. When thinking about what custom field data to collect, you're going to be thinking about information that you're already collecting, information that you'd like to collect, and then information that you might want to report on in the future. And once you've thought about that, we're going to go over to our main navigation, we're going to click into our settings, and then we're going to go up to our custom field tab. Once we're in our custom field tab, we're going to have the ability to access the custom fields we're already utilizing just beneath the customer account header. And then over in the suggested custom field column, we'll see some other custom fields that we might pull in to our customer accounts and our individual customer contacts as well. So let's take a look at a few of our custom fields that we've pulled over or that we've created for our customer accounts and our customer contacts. You can see that we've pulled over this type custom field over into our customer accounts, which is really helpful because this helps us understand what type of account is this more broadly. Is this a commercial or a residential account? Another great custom field is going to be this lead source custom field, which is really helpful for you as you learn about your customers more broadly and how they are interacting with you or coming in contact with your business. Is this going to be through a Facebook or Instagram ad, or is it referral or through your website? However they're coming in contact with you, creating a custom field like this enables you to both know how your marketing dollars are working for you if you put money into marketing, but also maybe what's most effectively working for you more broadly across all of your customers. Custom field information will help you learn so much about your customers and how you can better serve your customers. And so something like a notes custom field really shines for this type of an idea. If you don't have a custom field, this might be a great place to put information that you might use to create custom fields in the future. But it's also going to be a great catch-all for any information that you'd like to collect. And remember, whether that's for you or anybody else in your organization, as you seek to build a relationship with your customers and build trust and loyalty long-term with your customers as well. One last custom field that I wanted to show you here at this customer account level would be this status custom field. This is a great way for you to mark where you are relationally with your customers at a broad account level. So whether it's a qualifying phase of your relationship in that lead contacted us, discovery call, appointment schedule type of a place, or if they're an active customer and maybe you're in a design phase or just listing as an active customer, or if you sent out an estimate and you've lost that job, that's great to know as well. Or if you've built out an estimate and they've said not yet, you could put them on hold. Or if you've got several needs for a customer and you've already closed one job, but you might want to follow up with them in the future, you've got a stage for that here in that status. So this is a great custom field for anybody looking to both learn something about your customers, but also give yourself some potential actionable steps for the future. You also have the ability to collect custom field data about the individual contacts within the broader customer account. This is really helpful if you have secondary emails or maybe other phone numbers. And you also have the ability, and we encourage you to utilize that notes custom field at that level as well for the individual customer contacts, because this is going to be where personalized information about those unique individuals will really shine in helping you build a relationship with that customer, build trust, and build loyalty over the long haul. If you'd like to create a new custom field at any one of these headers, you can go just to the right to this plus custom field option. So we'll click here and let's create something like a lead score. This is going to be a qualifying custom field to help us learn something about how hot this lead is. And so one of the most popular custom fields that we see are these pick lists. This is going to be a drop-down where you give different values. So let's go ahead and name it lead score. For something like a lead score, based on if they have financing, how quickly they want to do this job, by right-clicking in that open text space, depending on what browser you use, you can actually make use of these emojis and symbols. So we'll pick something visually appealing like a star. And then we'll copy this and we'll paste it and give ourselves a 5-star option, 4-star option, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star, and then Give yourself the opportunity to know that you've done work for them in the past, but you do not want to do work for them in the future based on any number of reasons. It can be really helpful for you, especially if you have a bigger organization, if you can help other people in the future who might be following up on those closed-won jobs to follow up about potential needs in the future, to know that we do not work with them again, okay? Do not work with. So again, you can see how powerful custom fields can be to help you learn information that you want to collect, like how hot of a lead someone is, or maybe we don't want to work with them in the future, okay? So make sure that you've thought about what custom fields you want, how you want to use them, what information you want to report on, and if you have any questions about how to create custom fields or about custom fields for your parent level customer accounts or the individual contacts within those customer accounts, make sure you reach out to your customer success manager, or you can contact us for support at JobTread.com.